The sun is bright. I like to play. The cat is small. We have fun. The dog runs fast. This is my ball. I see a bird. The fish swims. It is sunny today. The flower is red. I love my family. The sky is blue. She has a hat. The book is big. I eat an apple. The tree is tall. We jump high. The baby is cute. I draw a star. The car is fast. The frog jumps. I like to read. The ice cream is sweet. The moon is bright. We sing a song. The cow says moo. I wear a hat. The bird can fly. The sun is hot. I have a toy. The rabbit hops. We run and play. The sky is clear. The fish is blue. I see a star. The dog barks loud. We like to dance. The grass is green. I drink water. The apple is red. The boat floats. I hear a sound. The cat is soft. We clap our hands. The snow is white. I catch a ball. The tree has leaves.